Let me show you. This is the large flow water filter we produce. This batch of goods was custom made by a South African power plant customer. Last year, Lifeierte supplied 20,000 large flow water filter elements in South Africa. At present, there are 58 local cooperative customers. It uses 6 layers of filter paper to filter, reaching 1 micron. The filtration accuracy of such a filter reaches 17 cubic meter per hour. Now the high-flow water filter elements are sold to Europe, Russia, Southeast Asia, Africa, South America and other regions all the year round, and are used in water treatment systems in power plants, biopharmaceutical industry, coal-chemical industry, food processing industry, animal husbandry industry and other industries.